All right, let's take a look at this one with some negative exponents raised to a power, and I see a zero exponent. So how do you start? We're getting started is usually one of the hardest steps in algebra. And I would always start with a zero exponent because it's so nice that if you see something raised to a zero power, it is equal to one. That means it's completely eliminated and you've got one less thing to think about in the problem. So a to the zero, pretty much anything to the zero power is one. Okay, so it's not a to the first, it's not one to the a, it's not one times a or anything like that. It's just one. Okay, now there are a couple of different ways that you might do this next part. So I'm going to show you one method. It's not the only method, but I think it's pretty straightforward and simple. I would do the power part next, the parentheses part next. So I'm going to distribute here. 4 times -1 gives me a to the -4. B to the -2 times -1 is +2. Okay, so I've got that. And over here, I've got b cubed, because this is just one. So b cubed to the 4th power, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so far, so good. I've got a negative exponent and I've got two terms with b in them. So I need to move that a to the denominator. A to the -4 moves to the denominator, becomes +4. And then I've got these b's, so I'm going to write the base and then add the exponents. 2 plus 12 is 14. That's it. That's the simplified version of this crazy looking problem.